evaluate the trigonometric function. So we've got sine of theta equals 1/3 and tan of theta equals question mark. We don't know what it is, we're trying to find that. We're given a triangle, that's a right triangle, and you're given your hypotenuse, which is 3, so hypotenuse equals 3. And that's what opposite your right angle, and you're given your opposite, which is 1. We gotta find tangent, which means opposite over adjacent. So tan of theta equals opposite over adjacent, right? So opposite is 1, and adjacent we don't know what it is, so let's find adjacent, let it equals x. So use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. C is your hypotenuse, right? That's going to equal 3. And opposite is going to be 1 squared plus b squared. Let b equal the adjacent. So solve. 1 squared is 1 times 1 is 1, plus b squared equals 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract 1 on both sides. B squared equals 9 minus 1 is 8. So in order to get b by itself, square root both sides. And square root and the square cancel, and you're left with b equals square root of 8. So what you're going to do right here is replace adjacent and write that it's equal to square root of 8. Square root of 8. And it's 1 over the square root of 8. So tan of theta equals 1 over square root of 8. And that's also equal to tan of theta equals to square root of 8 is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 2. So square root of 4 is 2. And just bring down square root of 2. So 1 over 2 square root of 2. And we can rationalize the denominator. Right? Multiply by square root of 2 on the numerator. Multiply by square root of 2 in the denominator. Will equal 1 times radical 2. Numerator times numerator times denominator times denominator. 2 radical 2 times radical 2 is 2 times radical 2 squared. So it's radical 2. 1 times radical 2 is 1 radical 2. And radical 2 squared is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So tan of theta equals radical 2 of 4.